Shah Rukh Khan is with us. We'll talk to Mr. Khan, talk about the movie. Shah Rukh ji, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you so much for being with us.
Oh, thank you for calling me on.
सबसे पहले तो आपका पहली धड़कन रेडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
शुक्रिया.
शाहरुख जी, ये बताइए कि मूवी अशोका आपकी जो कल आ रही है, जिसका बहुत हंगामा है, बहुत शोर है एंड बहुत से लोगों को बहुत बेचैनी से इंतजार है, इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
अशोका असल में कहानी एक एम्परर की है, एक राजे की है जो सन 232 बीसी में
जी
अराउंड उस टाइम पे राज करते थे और उनकी हमने हिस्टोरिकल फैक्ट्स थोड़े से लेकर उसके अराउंड एक लव स्टोरी वीव की है हमने. साथ में करीना कपूर भी हैं और भी एक्टर्स हैं, डैनी डेंगजोंगपा, जॉनी लीवर, एक साउथ इंडिया के बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं अजीत, और एक नई लड़की है रिशिता. एंड थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट करने की कोशिश की है एक लव स्टोरी को और इसका पिक्चराइजेशन भी बहुत अलग है नॉर्मल हिंदी फिल्मों से. सो द एफर्ट एक्चुअली इज टू try and make a more character-motivated Hindi film, which has all the ingredients and the set format, the popular format of a Hindi film with the songs and dances, but try and make it a little more different and a little more character-motivated.
Right. Now, Shahrukh ji, this is your first time producing a movie?
No, we produced, our company produced Phir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani, the second film that we produced.
Acha. And this movie you've been working on for past about a year, 2 years now?
Yeah, we started shooting last August.
Okay.
And we completed it in about March sometime, and now the post-production, and we just completed releasing it now.
Acha. Now, how do you feel about the movies coming out tomorrow?
I know I'm away from India. It released there today in Calcutta, England, and we had a preview and a premiere last night in England, and everybody seemed to love it. The press there, Times covered it, Financial Times, they gave it 4 stars.
Right.
So as far as the artistic part of it is concerned, people seem to be liking it, and I hope everybody, for me, what is more important is the audience liking it, the regular audience that comes.
Right.
And I'm not nervous like that, but you become a little in a limbo. You
Right.
become a little numb during the release of your film.
I see. Now, working with Kareena Kapoor in this movie, how was the experience?
It's nice. She's a young lady. She's really fresh. She's wonderful, very energetic, and very, very fine actress. And when we signed her on for the film, she had no releases. She was new for us.
Acha.
And we were a little worried would she be able to deliver, because the role is very complex, not just singing and dancing. And I think she really is the real hero of Ashoka. She's done very, very well.
Ashoka is coming out tomorrow, and the music is really good. Some of the songs in the movies are really good. Tell me a little bit about the music. I mean, how's the music that jo aapki videos bani hai jo ganon ki? Especially the one song you're doing with Kareena Kapoor. There's a scene, you in the water and all that stuff. It's similar to what you did in Dil Se. I mean, the music.
Does it sound similar to Dil Se? No,
Well,
it's by a different music director.
Right.
Maybe it's because I'm wearing a dhoti, so it looks like Dil Se.
Okay.
The film is not at all anywhere akin to that, or the songs. Maybe the cinematographer was the same who directed this film, so maybe the look is same. But overall, the music has been tried to be kept modern, though the film is a period historical film. And it's the whole instrumentation is Indian. But unfortunately, I'm tone deaf about music, so I never have to say anything in music. I just sort of do whatever songs are given to me. And I hope it's been weaved into the film as logically as it can possibly be done, keeping the characters in mind. And then I think people would enjoy it when they see it.
I see. Now, Shahrukh ji, as far as getting in the Bollywood film industry, कभी आपने सोचा था कि इतने अरूज पे जाएंगे आप, इतनी top के ऊपर, and sitting on top of the world as far as the Bollywood film industry go?
No, I just get up in the morning and do my work. I've never really thought where I am, what position I am, or I haven't even really worked towards that. What I try and do is just do 2 or 3 films a year and try and hopefully keep them entertaining and people to like them. And my whole day goes just doing that. I never even sit back or sort of look behind and see what I've done, what I'm doing. I just keep doing it, that's all.
Well, this is one of the biggest movies of the year, Ashoka, and you have Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham coming out with Big B, Amitabh Bachchan, you, Hrithik Roshan, Kareena ji again, Rani Mukherjee, Kajol ji, आपके बेटे भी उसमें काम कर रहे हैं. Tell me a little bit about Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham.
It's a wonderful film. It's made by Karan Johar, who made Kuch Kuch Hota. It's like an extension of our family only. Yes, Johar runs our office even for Ashoka.
Okay.
So for me, to tell you professionally anything about Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham would be biased. I would just say that I hope it is a fine film. I've seen it recently. I just finished the post-production of that film too. And it's looking good. It's very entertaining. It's got some really nice moments and obviously very nice scenes done by some very fine actors.
Right.
And, overall, a film that I'm sure you can enjoy with the whole family.
Now, getting back at the Ashoka, the production work, how long was the shooting? कितना time लगा shoot करने में?
We shot the film in about 60 to 70 days. It started off like it is meant to be a small film. I hope people don't go expecting it to be a huge film. It's a small, simple film. It's
Okay.
a small, simple love story that really touches your heart. We shot about 60-70 days over a period of about 8 months,
Okay.
and the post-production was about 3 months.
3 months. Now, how long is the movie?
The film is about 2 hours, 50 minutes.
2 hours and 15 minutes.
2 hours and 50 minutes.
Okay.
Shah Rukh ji, what do you expect? What should the people, your audience, your fans expect from Shah Rukh Khan in Ashoka?
I really don't know. I mean, these are two things which never tally. That I don't know what to ever expect from the audience. When you make a film, you're making it to the best of your capability. And what I get to hear from people who've seen the film so far is that it is a rather different kind of characterization. Of course, I've never played a role like this. I've never done ever a character which is based on a real life person. So one had to work around certain things that I normally do in films and give it a little more dignity and credibility, and I hope I've been able to do that. The look is different, the backdrop is absolutely different. I think the last time a period film was made in India was 25 years ago, so there will be a lot of viewers who've never seen a Hindi film which looks like this, who wouldn't have been born actually when the last one came. So I hope all the youngsters go there, because it does talk about this great man who took to the path of peace, kindness and goodness, and keeping in mind what's happening today. The whole take on Ashoka is that he realized the futility of war and aggression and took to a path of peace and love. So I hope that makes it a little relevant, and it would be a nice thing to sort of see and perhaps take back home with.
Yeah. Now, this is a huge project. How much of a research did you do into the history to make the story as authentic as possible?
The film is rather authentic in terms of whatever one could find out, because it was based in 232 BC. So unfortunately, not much is chronicled or written about the history of that period, or you don't have any pictures or portraits from that time or statues existing, except the Buddhist statues that you see even in Taliban, or which are existing areas in the east of India. But what we've done is we've tried to. The director had a team of about 5 or 7 people who have done a lot of research on the myths and legends that surround normally all great men. And what we've tried to do is take 4 cornerstones of history and weave these myths and legends around these 4 cornerstones, trying to keep the authenticity. There was a Greek influence during that time. There were a lot of, people didn't know that normally you're used to seeing a Mahabharata or Ramayana on Indian television and thinking that's how period should be. But this one is, hopefully as far as we are concerned, it's quite authentic, except a place or two where we have taken a bit of cinematic liberty.
Now, you say this is a very unusual role for you. Are there any sections in the movie that you found unusually hard or very different for you that people can expect to say, well, this is a very different Shah Rukh? Are there any certain scenes that you can point at?
It's a little wrong for me to do that, to pick on scenes and say, but essentially what I would say is that it is something that has never been done before by me, and I have tried to do it differently, and I'm sure, whatever the fate of the film, I can assure you that nobody would have seen me like this before. I feel a little embarrassed saying, look, I've done a good job or something, so I can't say that. But one has, the scenes were different, they were difficult. I'm not really such a great actor or method actor to, spend too much time on stuff. I do a lot of things very spontaneously. What I've tried to do is just keep the character in what I call the twilight zone, and it's a classical Greek tragic hero kind of a figure. And for once in Hindi films, one gets a absolutely character-motivated film. So one has kept that in mind and tried to deliver something which I'm quite sure, from as far as I'm concerned, while people have told me that it is very, very different from anything that I've done.
I was looking at your pictures and posters for the movie Ashoka, and of course the little preview, the little trailer. And I must say that looking at you, you look very different. I like the part you with the long hair, with the outfit of a gladiator.
Long, and I wonder how women do it. Actually, I used to get up in the morning, didn't know which was my front side or the back side.
How long did you grow this long hair for the movie?
No, I hadn't grown them. I got these extensions done from London.
Okay.
It was very difficult to live with them. 10 days was like the most harrowing. That was the most difficult part of making the film, actually.
Taking care of the hair, huh?
Yes, and I could put a brush to them. They became rough, and most of the shooting is done in the desert, the action sequences. So it used to get really hot, and sand used to get on them. Oh, it was really awful.
Now, Shah Rukh ji, because you're playing a warrior in this movie, you're in shape, but did you have to work out a little extra for the screen?
Not really. I mean, normally depending on the role I'm playing, I try to keep the physicality more or less akin to that. I change a bit of posturing. I change a bit of the walk. Is what I normally work on when I play a character.
Right.
And there were some sequences, yes, because they're bare-bodied sequences. So one had to look like a tough person. But no, I'm not looking like Arnold Schwarzenegger, if that's what you're asking.
Now, before we move on, any other production work or any future films coming out that we should know about after you get back to India? Are you going to work?
Devdas coming after this, which is also based on a classical novel from India.
Devdas.
Yeah, Devdas.
Devdas mein aapke saath, who is working with you?
There is Aishwarya Rai and Madhuri Dixit. It's made by the director who made Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Sanjay Leela Bansali.
Now, getting back at the Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, आपके बेटे जो आपके साहबजादे हैं वो भी आपके साथ काम कर रहे हैं फिल्म के अंदर.
No, it's actually more of a media thing really.
Okay.
We've just had a small bit. There was a portion which was to introduce me as a child, and we used Aryan in a couple of shots, that's all. But because we're very friendly, the whole team is like my own family. So in his films, in Kuch Kuch Hota, I had done the thrills and action, so there was no thrill and action. In this film, we're introducing Aryan. But it's hardly for a moment or two, that's all.
Now, Shahrukh ji, when you came to the Bollywood film industry, before that, did you start it as a TV act? Did you just jump into the film industry?
No, I'm basically a theatre actor. I used to do theatre in New Delhi.
Okay.
Englishman called Barry John, and then I shifted to do some series on television, and then on to the movie.
I see. There's so many big actors like Dilip Kumar, Shammi Kapoor, Amitabh Bachchan, Vinod Khanna, Rajesh Khanna. हमारे Bollywood में हैं बहुत मजे हुए कलाकार. Who is your favorite actor?
I like a lot of actors. I always find something to learn from most of the actors I watch. I'm quite a film buff myself, so I like Mr. Bachchan a lot. I think Mr. Dilip Kumar is absolutely wonderful. Kamal Hassan, Nana Patekar, there's a gentleman called Mohanlal down south. There's Balraj Sahni, there's Amir Khan, there's so many of them. And abroad, Al Pacino, Robert De Niro I like Jim Carrey a lot. I think Peter Sellers marvelous. My list is unending. It'll just go on and on.
Yeah. Now going back to Ashoka, as far as there are certain scenes with you and Kareena, they're very, very exotic looking. I haven't seen the costuming both for a man and a female actress. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, because in the times the film was set, actually, according to research, most of the people I think wore very little clothes. There was no stitching then. Cloth used to be just wrapped around.
Right.
So it is not especially exotic or erotic, actually. It's just that the period lent itself to the look like this, and the romance is quite has a sensuality to it, which has been captured with on purpose, actually, because India is the land of Kama Sutra. India is the land of sensuality, but in no which way going overboard, or it's just like any regular Hindi film, only we're not wearing tuxedos and dresses.
Yeah.
Now, Shahrukh ji, you work with, since you said earlier कि अमिताभ जी के साथ भी आपने he's your favorite actor. You work with him in Mohabbatein, and you did work with him in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. Now, how is the experience working with अमिताभ जी के साथ? कैसा लगा काम करके?
It's an understatement if I say it was marvelous, because I've grown up watching his films. So what I do is normally just to be able to share the same space as he occupies is wonderful for me. So I just go stand there and let all my acting be reflected of him, and hope everything goes well. I think it's absolutely marvelous.
शाहरुख खान जी, जब आप फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की दुनिया से, शूटिंग से, and everything, when you're off of it, what does Shahrukh Khan like to do on his free time?
I normally read a lot of books. I work on my computer. I play with my children a lot, and that's all the time I get to do.
Do you read serious stuff or just light fiction stuff, or what's your?
I've just recently started non-fiction, and right now I'm reading a book called Killing Pablo, which is quite interesting. And otherwise, I like Douglas Adams a lot. And I read everything, actually. I'm quite a reader, so I read anything from comic books to anything.
Yeah. Your kids coming up, you have any aspirations of the little kids joining the Bollywood film industry as well?
One is going to turn 4 next month, and the other is only 1.5.
Okay.
They need to decide what they're going to do.
Okay. A lot of parents here in America at the age of 2, they put kids into school drama or whatever just to be part of it. And I don't know if that was something.
No, I haven't put them into any school yet.
Okay.
Now, Shahrukh ji, do you believe in horoscopes, signs?
No, I don't.
You don't believe in it. You know, you have so many fans out here in Houston, Texas. What would you say to the fans out there about this movie?
I would tell them all to please go and take a look at it because it's an attempt to try and make Indian cinema grow, and it's a very humble attempt on my part, my co-producer Aziz Mirza and Juhi Chawla's part. The director is a director internationally known for his film Terrorist and Halo, and if we want Indian cinema to grow and come neck to neck with Hollywood or English films, it's
Right.
important films like this are are liked and encouraged, and already UK and US has been very gracious to Hindi films, which has given us courage to come up to here and try and make different films. I hope they go, I hope they get entertained, I hope it's a nice film, they can learn something from it, and I hope they're as gracious as they've been in the past to me.
We have to take a little short break. एक छोटी सी break लेते हैं and then we'll come back from the break.